Integrating Debank charts into your application or website can be a valuable addition to provide users with a seamless and intuitive way to track and analyze their cryptocurrency portfolio. To begin, you need to have a basic understanding of web development and API integration. First, you need to create an account on Debank and obtain an API key, which will be used to authenticate your requests and access the Debank API. Once you have your API key, you can start making API calls to fetch the data you need. The next step is to choose the type of chart you want to integrate, such as a portfolio chart or a token chart. Debank provides a range of chart types and customization options, so you can select the one that best fits your needs. To integrate the chart, you will need to add the Debank JavaScript library to your web page and initialize it with your API key. You can then use the library to render the chart and customize its appearance and behavior. A key concept to understand is the idea of widgets, which are pre-built components that can be easily integrated into your application. Debank provides a range of widgets, including charts, tables, and other visualizations that can be customized to fit your needs. In terms of practical examples, you can use Debank charts to display a user's portfolio balance over time, or to show the price history of a particular token. You can also use the charts to provide users with real-time data and alerts, such as notifications when a token reaches a certain price. Best practices for integrating Debank charts include ensuring that you handle errors and exceptions properly, and that you optimize the performance of your application to minimize latency and improve the user experience. You should also ensure that you comply with Debank's terms of service and usage guidelines. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully integrate Debank charts into your application and provide your users with a powerful and intuitive way to track and analyze their cryptocurrency portfolio. With its robust API and customizable widgets, Debank provides a flexible and scalable solution for a wide range of use cases and applications.